What's going on, everybody? This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and today I'm going to give you guys an update on the 1972 Super Beetle. This has been the ongoing project that has been on again, off again, and I'm going to show you the reason why I sort of put this one on the back burner. So let me show you guys what's been going on. I put all the transmission, all the motor mounts, all brand new, everything, throwout bearing, wiring, you name it, fuel line, it's ready to go, just to get ready to drop a engine in it. But when I was doing all the wiring, I noticed something that led me to believe that I need to stop and maybe possibly question the outcome of this car and this car's future. I looked over here and look what I seen. For those of you who don't know what that is, this car at one time was an AUTOSTICK. That hole right there is where the automatic transmission reservoir fluid goes, which is, I don't know if it's kind of a blessing or a hindrance, because I need this panel here because it's not available. I need it for my AUTOSTICK. So I put this car in the back burner, and you guys have seen what has happened since then. I got the Miata off eBay. So I don't know what I want to do with this. Like I said, it's a on again, off again project. And I want to say one thing to you guys. Thank you guys for, we just turned 21,000 views since the last year. I think it's a pretty good milestone considering what's been going on. The content has not been that great. I haven't really been posting that many videos. So yeah, let's go see what's under that canopy over here. That's an old dual port, and we'll talk about that one later on. But anyways, guys, thanks again for the 21,000 views. I think we're right about 1,380 subscribers. So thumbs up, thumbs down. Thanks for sticking around. Catch you on the next video. This is 1972 Super. That's Lucy barking. It means it's time to go.